How to sell Sidra Coin. Now, the very first thing that you'll do is, of course, you'll have to complete the Sidra KYC. Then after that, you'll have to go ahead and get verified on the P2P verification. And once you're verified, the next thing you do is you have to swap your coins from ST to SDA. Now, this is going to be the time that you need to coordinate with one of the Sadra's vendor for you to be able to go ahead and trade with them. So just take note that if you will be coordinating from Sadra vendors to trade, that you haven't completed the first steps from third yet, it will not allow. Trading will not be completed unless you have completed Sedra KYC and then get verified on a P2P verification, and then you'll have to swap your coins from ST to STA first before you can trade with any of Sidra vendor. So I guess that's the easiest way on selling Sidra coins, and that's how I do it.